Welcome to the third lesson of Tableau Desktop Specialist Beginner Course. In this lesson, we will be focusing on sharing insights. In the first part, we will learn how to format views for presentation. So here is what we are going to cover. How to use color from the marks card, format fonts, format the marks as shapes, configure Viz animations, change the size of marks, and show and hide legends. Let's get started. To assign a color to marks in the view, on the marks card, click Color and then select a color from the menu. To assign a color based on a field, like the category for example, you can simply drag it to the color on the marks card. Now you can see each category is assigned a different color. If you use the measure instead of a dimension, like the sales for example, each mark in the view will be colored in a shade based on its sales value. To change the color palette or customize how color is applied to your marks, click Color, then Edit Colors. Let's look at another example where we display positive values in green and negative values in red. Here we have a table view showing the profit by subcategory. Drag the profit to the color and change the marks from text to square. Then, from color, click on Edit Color. Select the red-green divergent and from the advanced view, make sure the center value is set to 0. Formatting the font in your views is crucial for making them look great. To view the format settings, click on Format, then Font. Editing the font at the worksheet level applies changes to both the panes and the headers. However, you can also choose to format them separately. You can change the view title either by changing the tab name or by choosing an independent title. To do this, double-click on the title to open the window where you can type it and format it. To customize your text alignment, click on the alignment icon. You will have the option to change it from left, center, or right, and top, middle, or bottom. You can also change the direction of the text from normal to up or down. To change the shapes of marks, you can click Shape on the marks card and choose one of the shapes from the menu. You can also have a different shape by dimension field members. To do that, let's drag the category field into the Shape Marks card. Now you'll see Tableau assigns a unique shape to each member in the category field. Animation helps highlight changing pattern in your data, reveal spikes and outliers, and see data points cluster and separate. There are two different styles of animation in Tableau: simultaneous or sequential. Here we have a sample view showing the sales by subcategory. Tableau enables animation for your Viz by default. Notice how the Viz animate when changing the filter. You can configure the animation from the Format and Animations. You can turn it off or on. You can change the speed. And you can change the style of the animation. Simultaneous will do all the animation at the same time. While sequential will do it in multiple steps. To change the size of marks in the view, on the marks card, click Size and then move the slider to the left or right. You can also change the size of the mark based on a measure or a dimension. For example, drag the sales from the data pane to size on the marks card, and you will see the size is determined based on sales for each member. To edit the size of marks, on the Size Legend card, click the drop-down arrow in the right-hand corner and select Edit Sizes. For Sizes Vary, click the drop-down box and select by range, for example. Use the range slider to adjust the distribution of sizes. Select Reverse to assign the largest mark to the smallest value and the smallest mark to the largest value. Modify the distribution of the sizes by selecting the start value in the legend and end value for range, and type beginning and end values for the range. To show or hide the legends from the Analysis menu, select Legends and you will see a list of available legends. Simply check the box next to the legend name to display it or uncheck to hide it. And that's it for part 1. I hope you found this session useful and that provided you with a solid foundation for formatting your visualization in Tableau. Thank you very much for watching.